Hello, good morning. Well, we're from Philippines, and it's like our first reaction ever for the very famous Two Girls, One Cup phenomenon. Well, me and my friends would like to record our reaction for this following clips. Well, I'd like to introduce you my friends. This is Madel.
Hi. My God.
My lesbian friends, Tommy and Chan. And now we're about to witness this so-called phenomenon. But I don't know how we're gonna react about this. Okay? So, here we go. Okay, come on. Okay, we're going to watch the video now. How we're gonna react about this. Oh my God! Ikon sila wayo ko lo, ma'am. Tama. 48.
40 years old.
Okay.
Ala, eh.
Ayan, sa kaniyot.
Bad shot.
YouTube, giray!
Sige, Miday.
Ribangon mi day.
Lala! Woo! Here we go.
Power DVD. Shit.
Wait, ha. 48, eh. Okay, my God! So girls, what's your reaction? How was it?
Ew.
Yaks.
In a lesbian opinion, so muder ka ato?
Hindi ko mag-dare ato eh. Bilat ako ah.
Loon! Inamaw siya.
Di ko lubot.
Inamaw to siya nga toyi. Di ko palabot ato.
Bilat ako ah eh.